In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily log in to Booksy and update your profile name. This process is quite straightforward and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable managing your profile. First, you'll need to navigate to the Booksy website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Booksy URL in the address bar. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. On the main page, you'll find the login section. Here, simply enter your email address or phone number along with your password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there should be an option to reset it right on the login page. Once you've entered your details, click the login button to access your account. Now that you're logged into Booksy, let's move on to your profile. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you should see your profile icon. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select either Settings or Profile. The exact wording might vary slightly, but either option will take you where you need to go. Once you've opened your profile settings, look for a section labeled Personal Info or Profile Details. This is where all your basic information is stored, including your name, contact details, and other personal settings. It's a good area to get familiar with because keeping your information up to date is essential for seamless communication and bookings. Now, on to editing your name. Beside your current name, there should be an edit button. Click on this and you'll be able to enter your new first and or last name. Make sure you type carefully as this is how your name will appear to others in your profile and appointments. Once you've entered your new name, double check it for any errors. The final step in this process is to save your changes. You'll typically find a Save or Update button below the fields where you entered your new name. Click this, and your updated name should now be stored in your profile. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to verify that your changes have been successfully applied. Go back to your profile page and check that your new name is displayed correctly. You might also want to glance at your appointment details to ensure everything reflects the change accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Booksy and updated your profile name. This process not only keeps your information accurate, but also ensures a professional appearance when booking appointments. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comment section below.